Hello and Namaste. I am Ketan Kank from 192 Consulting. In this video, we are going to discuss about the concept of transposition of name. So initially we have discussed the concepts of transfer, transmission, deletion of name, and in this case, we are going to discuss about the transposition of name. So transposition of names is nothing but changing the sequence of the names appearing on the records of the company. We'll take a small example over here. If the shares of a particular company are being held by person A jointly by person B, and now if both of them decide to change the sequence and person B becomes the first or the primary holder along with person A, then this is called as transposition of name. See, again there are some similarities and differences between the deletion of the name and transposition of the name. First, we will check the similarities. So there is only one similarity between deletion and transposition. Deletion of name and transposition of name will take place only in cases where the shares are held by more than one person jointly. That's the similarity. Now, what are the differences? Differences is that deletion of name primarily occurs when a person wants to delete his name. The shareholders, either by operation of law or by the act of that person gets the name gets deleted. Mostly deletion of name takes place when the person expires or is deceased, and then the joint holder's name is there. So transposition of name somewhere forms the part of the deletion of name, because person A's name is deleted and person B becomes the first holder. So deletion of name also takes place and transposition of the name also takes place. But in transmission, transposition of name can happen with or without deletion of name. So in first case, we saw that the name has been deleted and person B becoming the first primary holder of the company. And in transposition, the sequence of the name changes with or without deletion of the name. So whenever person wants to change the sequence of his holdership in the company, then again all the shareholders, if they are alive, they should jointly write to the company that the original sequence of the shareholders for those particular securities was in a particular format, and now they want to change the sequence of their names, and this along with them they should send the original documents, their KYC papers, and a no objection certificate on the stamp paper of requisite amount stating all the shareholders have no objection for the transposition of name. The company will issue a form for transposition of name, and the shareholders will have to fill in the form, send the supporting documents along with the form back to the RTA, and then the company will record the new sequence of the shareholding or the shareholders' names on its records, and this procedure is called as transposition of names or the transposition of the names of the shareholders. Before reclaiming the shares, investors will have to check whether the sequence of the name is correct or not. If the sequence of the name is not correct, then they'll have to undergo the procedure for transposition of shares, and only when the shares are positioned correctly or the names of the shareholders are in correct sequence, then the investor should proceed with the next step of reclaiming of the shares. Should you have any query relating to the transposition of shares or reclaiming of the shares or dematerialization of shares or any issue, legal issue related to the shares and securities, you may feel free to reach out to us. You can reach out to us by marking your comments in the comment section of this video. Also by writing an email to us on info@192.in. Till the time, this is Ketan Kank signing off. Thank you so much.